a step-by-step guide on how to open the iPhone 12 Pro Max for repairs. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray, and then remove the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, apply heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer for the heating process. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Please note that some models may need extra heating to loosen the adhesive. Once the heating process is complete, use a suitable suction cup or something similar to lift the screen. In here, we are using a regular suction cup to lift the front assembly. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen. Then gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free the rubber gaskets on the frame. You can use a picker or car pry tool in this step. This process will take time and needs patience. When using the tool, insert only the tip. Do not push it in too far, as it may damage the flex cables. Once the screen is free, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from right to the left. Next, remove the LCD connector shield by undoing 3 screws. And then take off the earpiece assembly connector shield by removing 4 screws. Handle the LCD cables carefully while unscrewing. Once the shields are removed, first disconnect the battery connector. Then unplug the LCD connector, followed by the earpiece assembly plug from the logic board. Now you can free the screen from the body.